Hello guys, today make flour. How to make the dough of flour and how to make different type of easy flour. The whole dough in 5 minutes will be ready, and I show you how to make different type of flour. Don't need to be so talented, just simple and nice. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011. So all my experience over than 30 years in pastry I put in this channel. 5 gram gelatin we soak in ice water. Make sure water with ice or very cold water. Then 20 gram glucose we squeeze very good the gelatin on top of 20 gram of glucose in microwave for 30 seconds to melt. If you don't have microwave, you can make it on bain marie. 500 gram icing sugar. As you see, I melt gelatin and glucose together. Make sure all dissolve. You can put back for 30 seconds. As you see, now it's ready. I pour on top of icing sugar or sugar powder in small speed. And if you see the dough need some water, still dry, you can add it 1 spoon of water, cold water better, just 1 spoon. And if you see need more, you can increase 1 more spoon of water. Let the mixer mix it very well to be very soft. Then now you can see the mixer after 3 minutes makes the dough so soft. You remove from machine. You can see the dough must be very soft, as you see, not strong, because when it cool down it will stretch and becomes more stronger. So you remove and keep it into container. You keep the dough at least 5 hours before you use. You can dust some icing sugar. You can cover. After 4-5 hours, you can take piece of the dough and you can color any color you want. In this case, for my wedding cake, I need rose color or rose flower. As you see, step by step. To be honest, this dough you cannot cover the wedding cake because it's too strong, but it's very good to use for flour because it's dry in 1 second. You just cut it, less than 30 seconds will be dry, and that help us to use it when we need an emergency. Also, some dough, sugar dough, it takes at least 6-7 hours to dry, and sometimes we don't have this luxury, so I invented this sugar dough. I put in plastic and I cover with plastic, and then I push with my finger to make 50% very smooth. Just the top of the leaf to be very smooth. You can see my technique so easy. After that, with brush, very lightweight. So I dip the brush in water and I squeeze it to be lightweight. Then this first flower, I make some dough like carrot. Then I surround it by the leaves. And then in middle of the leaf, I close one side and open one side. And go on, go on. You can make flower 5 leaves, 7 leaves, 9 leaves, even 11. You just wet the surface to stick easily, and with your finger you can make the nice shape. Less than 30 seconds it will dry and will be, as you see, very strong. And this another type of flower. You just roll all leaf together. Now you can see with your finger, with your talent, you can turn it to a nice traditional flower. And this is the third type of flower. You just put 50% on the other leaf, as you can see, and then you roll it. Very easy technique, and you can make very beautiful rose in 1 second. And the best of this dough, it's dry immediately. And the last one, so easy. You use a rose cutter. You just spread 2 millimeter and just cut. Thanks for being in my